So we're here at the Blackmagic stand, and something we're really excited to see is the new Blackmagic 6K Pocket Cinema camera. Now this is an absolute beast. It's still a pretty small size, but it can now do 6K up from the 4K of the previous generation. But what makes this really unique is that you can now use EF lenses. So if you have Canon lenses at home, you can now put them on this new Blackmagic 6K camera. We've ordered one already, so we'll have one in the office very soon for review, so make sure you subscribe to the channel to see that review coming very soon. We're going to do a few tests here at the IBC Show. Okay, so we're here at the Blackmagic stand with Bob, and one camera we're super excited about is the new Blackmagic 6K Pocket Cinema camera. So Bob, just announced recently, we've already pre-ordered one for the office, but can you tell us, for people who haven't seen this before, what's new with this camera? Why should people get it?
Yeah, sure. So the original Pocket 4K, it had a micro four thirds mount and whatever, and people wanted to have a EF mount and maybe a little larger sensor, and so here we go with the 6K version. So it still has the same 5-inch touchscreen, comes with a copy of DaVinci Resolve Studio. You record on CFast 2 cards or SD cards. It also has a USB-C output that you can record onto SSD. So, but you can shoot 4K, HD, 6K, 5.7K, all kinds of different Ks. But the idea is you're just getting really stunning images. You can record Blackmagic RAW, which is our great codec, and use that right in DaVinci Resolve for editing, color grading, visual effects, audio, and output.
Yeah, cool. It looks pretty great. And as you say, one of the big new features is that you can have EF mounts. So if you're a Canon user or someone who has EF mount lenses, that's going to be great, isn't it?
Yeah, I mean, there's a large number of EF mount lenses out there. Canon, says they have 100 million of them, you know, and Sigma and some other companies make them too. So yeah, widely available, loads of price points, and I think this is so far so good. We got a lot of them out there, and hopefully one to you soon.
Yeah, definitely. We've been playing around with it over there, and the footage on this is just incredible, really, really great. And as I say, you've gone from 4K to 6K. What kind of frame rates can you get out of this thing?
Right, so we can do 60 frames per second in 6K, and 120 frames in 4K, and 300 in HD, I think it is, or 180 in HD, I think. Yeah.
It's pretty good, so it's really versatile. We're really looking forward to getting our hands on this in the office. I mean, there's a lot of people out there. We deal a lot with people who are maybe just starting a YouTube journey, or people in business who are looking for a very high-end camera, but something that's not going to completely break the bank. This is it around 2,000 euros price?
So yours 2,300, I think, or somewhere around there. I know US dollars is 2,500, so somewhere around there, yeah.
Which, you know, it sounds like quite a lot if you're new to these sort of cameras, but for what you're getting, this is really another level compared to, say, some Sony or Canon cameras for the same price range.
Yeah, I mean, we definitely put a lot of camera in this, and as I said, it also comes with the DaVinci Resolve Studio, so you really have an end-to-end solution to shoot, edit, and get it out to YouTube.
Yeah, definitely. And if you've never used DaVinci Resolve Studio as well, even that on its own is just a super powerful package, so to get that with the camera is pretty good, so we're super excited about it. So thank you, Bob, and if people want to find out more about... Oh, sorry.
Yeah. I was just going to say, if you want to find out more about Blackmagic, you go to blackmagicdesign.com.
Cool. Thanks very much, Bob, and we'll have more on this camera very, very soon.